Hi, friends. We're back here live at the Ghetto Fabulous Studios. We have spent quite a bit of time unplugged. No cell phone, no internet, no TV. But we're back. It was to prove a point that life is actually better without these things. Last weekend, my wife and I and some of our closest friends went to a cabin in the woods. No telephone, no cell phones, no internet. We had to socialize. Ooh! It was the time of my life. Getting to know friends better, getting to catch up on old times, just getting to sit on the front porch and enjoy nature. Just getting to be. Just be who I am. Be who I was created to be. Nobody died. Nothing got hurt. Nothing went amiss. The world didn't stop rotating because I didn't post to social media. Ooh. Now, I want you all to consider what social media costs you. I want you to consider what 24-hour-a-day news service costs you. They take your free thought away from you. They take away your will to be anything other than a mindless, stupid drone that gets up, does the same thing every day, comes home, and plugs in. It's like the primitive version of the Matrix. Plug in and all your problems go away. No, they don't. You plug in and you deny yourself the joy of living. You don't even see your children smile. You don't even know what your wife's up to or what she's doing or what she's thinking because you're so plugged in. You have to find out about things from your family because of their Facebook posts after it's already happened. You get told what to believe by news services that have a political agenda. Folks, we have become codependent on the greatest drug ever created. The endorphins from our own mind, the stimulation, the dopamine that we get from interacting on social media, playing video games, watching television, playing with our cell phones, text messaging, blah, 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 blah. Unless it is just physically impossible for me to see you face to face, then social media might be a smidge useful. But have you all noticed our friends at Twitter, our friends at Facebook, our friends at YouTube, our friends at all the different various and sundry Google Pluses and Ether Cloud, Al Gore bullshit, are desperately trying to monetize this crap so that we have to pay out, so that they can make money doing it, so that it's not just some geek up in front of a crowd speculating on how much their product is worth. What does it cost you? Does it cost you the joy, the pleasure of interacting with other human beings? to share the same space, to socialize. No wonder they're handing out antidepressant medicine like it's going out of style. People, we are chumps. This is the greatest bamboozlement of all time. Bamboozlement, is that even a word? Well, who cares? I made it up, I like it, and I'm going to use it. P.T. Barnum would be pleased because guess what, suckers? There's one of us born every minute. I'm guilty, you're guilty, we're all guilty of being plugged in. Sucked into the black hole vacuum of ignorance. Under the blanket of protection that it provides, because we're here in the comforts of our own homes, in the ghetto fabulous studio. The outside world is doorways away. Nothing can touch us. Our little cocoon of stupid. Our chrysalis of ignorance. We're not engaged. We're not involved. We don't know what our neighbors are doing. They could be over there killing puppies. We have no idea. Nor do we care. It's just an easy way to sweep the entire world under a rug and still look like we are activists fighting for the American dream. But what are we really doing? We're just pitching a bitch, crying in our milk, and doing bupkis about it. People, we're like sheep waiting to be sheared. I'm not blameless. I do it. It's easy to stick your head in a bucket of sand and pretend that the world isn't going on in the manner in which it's going. It's easy to forget that you have an obligation to your friends to ask them, hey, how's it going? Let's go get a cup of coffee. Can I take you out to lunch? Want to go see a movie? How are you doing today? That's gone. Totally lost. No obligation to be nice to anybody. No obligation whatsoever to care. Well, I don't need to care. I got to take care of me. Mines. The worst thing I ever heard was, I got to take care of mines. Service and self-sacrifice is what built this country. And I don't see a whole lot of it here left to hold it up. Do yourself a favor. Boost your self-esteem. Bank your joy. Get away from the electronic plug-ins and go talk to somebody today. Go interact with another human being. And I don't mean bullying a waitress or bullying a clerk at a retail store or bullying somebody on a customer service phone call. I mean go out and do something nice. Be pleasant. Recall what it's like to actually have to talk to people. Those skills are lost. A lot of people can't do that anymore. They want to be told what to do, when to do it, how to do it, and then they want to be patted on the back and told what a good person they are for doing that. They want to see how many views they can get or how many likes they can get. I'm here to tell you, I don't care if you like a word I'm saying. I'm going to say it because my heart tells me I need to. My mind tells me if I don't get this junk out, it's going to ruin me. Oh, I preach it. I preach it pretty good. I talk about service to others. I talk about responsibility as a citizen. But folks, I'm living it. I wouldn't ask you to do one single thing that I'm not willing to do or that I'm not already doing. Take care of yourself. Love yourself enough to go be a human being. It can take as little as 15 minutes. Don't walk around like a drone, like a zombie, looking at a little bitty screen, thinking that you're educating yourself about the world. If you don't interact with people, you know nothing about the world. You know nothing about what's going on around you. Treat yourself. Turn them off.